Although it may not be at the level of popularity we saw just 2 short years ago, Fortnite is still a force to be reckoned with in the world of gaming. A game so popular that Netflix declared it as a bigger rival than HBO or Hulu, Fortnite helped define the battle royale genre made popular by games like PUBG, and it continues to be a must-play for millions of gamers daily. Of course, not everyone has a game console or wants to be stuck playing on their phone all day. If you have a Chromebook, you don't have to settle for small screen experiences, but installing Fortnite may take a bit more work than you expect. Let's take a look. Let's start things off with what may be the easiest method. For some specific Chromebook models, you may be able to sideload the Android APK on your Chromebook to get Fortnite up and running right away. You'll need to make sure you've put your Chromebook in developer mode and that you've enabled installing third-party APKs in your settings menu. Once you've done all that, download the APK from our mirrored link in the description below, or download it from the official Fortnite site on your Android device, then transfer it over from your phone over USB. Install the APK, then run the Fortnite launcher. If the yellow install button is grayed out when you install the launcher, you won't be able to run Fortnite on your Chromebook. Otherwise, follow the standard installation procedure to run the Android version of the game, and you'll be all set. Okay, but what about everyone else? Well, the standard APK file only works on a select group of Chromebooks with no official support from Epic, we might add. Those dedicated to getting the game up and running on Chrome OS aren't completely out of luck. If you have a Windows or Mac computer that you don't mind running in the background, you can use Chrome's remote desktop feature to mirror the app from an officially supported PC to your Chromebook. This is great if you happen to have a desktop PC in your house, but you want to take your gaming on the go. Just install Chrome Remote Desktop from the Chrome App Store, sync the 2 devices, and you'll be ready to play, with some minor lag, of course. If you don't mind paying for a better experience, you can also use NVIDIA's GeForce Now app to stream Fortnite over the web, with no additional computer required. GeForce Now does have a free tier, but it limits you to an hour of playtime and only supports logging in when the servers aren't flooded with other users. But for $4.99 per month, you can add Fortnite to your GeForce Now library and use NVIDIA's web player to start a session over any internet connection. You can even switch between a mouse and keyboard or controller at any time, making it one of the best ways to play Fortnite and other supported GeForce games on your Chromebook. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Chromebooks and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.